I don't have the word to say. It's insane, which is what I've been saying the past 3 days. It's just so much water. It's just phenomenal.
In Fall City, the rain has stopped, but the roaring of the river continues. One of the main roads was overtaken by water, cutting off Duval and Carnation. Many were forced to turn around, including beekeeper Quentin Giant, who fears his 24 beehives are gone.
And I am very worried that unfortunately they're going to be underwater.
We flew a drone and saw his boxes floating in the water.
Imagine if I was telling you there's 25 cows stuck there, 25 dogs. It's very sad.
The Snoqualmie River reached over 60 feet, the highest since 2009. Public safety officials in King County expect today to be the worst, but high water levels will continue tomorrow. For Quentin, that means more waiting, hoping this weekend he'll finally know the fate of his bees.